Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're studying lesson number 19, and this is the fourth session. Today we're gonna we're gonna do the exercises, but before that we're gonna do some linguistics. Al-Lughwiyat, Tabiratun Ma'al Jizri Shahara. So some expressions using these three root letters. Tashtahiru Madinatu Uswana bi Asarihal Firauniyati. So here I have some detail like how this is formed. So the meaning is that the city of Uswan is famous for its monuments for its pharaonic monuments. So Tashtahiru, this is actually coming from form 8, Ishtahara Yashtahiru. The three-letter verb is Shahara Yashharu, which means to make someone famous or to make something public. And this form 1 is transitive, means it needs maf'ul bihi. For example, if we say Shahara Tajiru Elanahu, so Elana is maf'ul bihi, Fissuki, the merchant made his advertisement. Elana is advertisement, made his advertisement. Shahara, public, Fissuki, in the market. So Shahara, we are making someone public or something public, and this is transitive, it needs maf'ul bihi. Now when we change this to form 8 verb Ishtahara Yashtahiru on the pattern of Iftala Yaftailu, it becomes intransitive. So here the subject is the one who possesses the fame. So the subject, the file, the one, he is the one who is actually possessing the fame, and then it doesn't need maf'ul bihi, is intransitive, and it is always followed by a preposition ba. For example, Ishtahara al-mut'amu bit'amihi al-lazizi. The restaurant became famous. So we are not making somebody else famous. The restaurant itself is becoming famous because of it delicious food. So this is the difference between Shahara Yashharu and the Ishtahara Yashtahiru. And when I said the city was famous, city of Uswan, so it became famous by himself. The subject is itself possessing the fame. The next one is Gabriel Garcia Marquez, huwa katibun Colombiyun mashhurun. Gabriel Garcia Marquez is the famous Colombian writer. So mashhurun comes from the verb Shahara Yashharu, form 1. So ism maf'ul is mashhurun ala wazni maf'ulun. The three-letter verbs form 1. The ism file comes from the pattern fa'alun, and ism maf'ul comes from the pattern maf'ulun. Fa'ilun and maf'ulun for form 1. So mashhurun is ism maf'ul. Najib Mahfouz Katibun Misriyun Lahu Shuhratun Alamiyatun. Najib Mahfouz is the Egyptian writer who has world who is the famous worldwide. So again, Shahara Yashharu, to make famous, form 1, and fame is Shuhratun is fame, and this is Masdar for form 1. And again, form 1 does not have a fixed pattern for masdar. Only we will know from the dictionary. So there is no fixed pattern for masdar. Here is shuhratun here. So he's famous in the world. Nala William Shakespeare shuhratan wasiyatan fil alimi kullihi. William Shakespeare, he gained again worldwide fame. Kullihi, all of it, mean the whole world. So here kulli is for emphasis, taqid, and this follows its muakkad for the i'rab. So alimi is majroor, that is why kulli is also majroor. And nala yanalu means to win or gain. This is form 1. Ashharu Mudni Misra, the most famous of the cities of Egypt are Cairo, Alexandria, and Uswan. So again, coming from the form 1, Shahara Yashharu, Ismu Tafdil is Ashharu, means more or most famous. Ala Wazni Afalu. Now the expressions with the root letters Arafa, to know. Turafu, no, this is Arafa Yarifu. Urifa Yurafu, so this is on the passive form, passive tense, passive voice form. Madinatu Uswana, city of Uswan is known by Bi Asari Hal Firawniyati, by its pharaonic monuments. Mu'minun marufun bainal mudarrisina bihubbihi lil amali. Mu'min is known, maruf, among the teachers by his love to the work. Min al marufi anna Baghdad hiya asimatul Iraqi. From the known, it is known, we know that min al marufi, from the known, that Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. It is known that Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Al amru bil maruf, commanding what is good, min ta'lim al islami, is from the teachings of Islam. Okay, here is another expression, is proverb akhirul marufi zarbul kufufi. So this proverb means, actually literally means, the end of good deed. End of good deed is hitting palms. Kafuf means palms. Hitting zarbul kufufi, hitting palms. The end of the doing good is hitting palms, which means the reward of doing good is often getting slapped. Hitting palm means slapping, or no good deed goes unpunished. This is what it means. Now here are some expressions with the root mayaza. Tamayyazu al-musikil hadisahu bi sur'ati. The musikal hadisi, the new music, or the latest the music of our time, is distinguished by its speed, because now the music is very fast. So here the verb is, so now tatamayyazu, this is actually form 5 verb. Let's differentiate between form 2 and form 5. So mayyaza yumayyizu, to differentiate or distinguish, and this is form 2. This is transitive, needs maf'ul bihi. For example, mayyazal mu'allamu at-talib al-mujtahida. The teacher distinguished the hardworking student. So taliba is maf'ul bihi, so is requiring a maf'ul bihi, because we need to differentiate or distinguish something, so someone. Whereas tamayyaza yatamayyazu, form 5 verb, means to be distinguished, to be distinguished by your own effort. So here the subject is the one who is getting distinguished. So this doesn't need any maf'ul bihi. So this is intransitive, and this is always followed by preposition ba. For example, tamayyazal talibu bi ijtihadihi. The student got distinguished, so the student himself got distinguished by his hard work. So this is the difference between mayyaza yumayyizu form 2 and tamayyaza yatamayyazu form 5. Kitabi mumayyazun falayhi surati. My book is, so the book itself, the book is distinguished because it has my picture. So here this form 2 use, form 2 verb mayyaza yumayyizu, and ism maf'ul is mumayyazun, the thing which is distinguished. So is the maf'ul for mayyaza yumayyizu. And we have learned the pattern, the 3 steps how to form ism fa'il and ism maf'ul from this verb. Kamalun talibun mumtazun. Kamal is an outstanding student. So mumtazun coming from the verb imtaza yamtazu, form it to excel, and ism fa'il is mumtazun. Ricardo talibun mutamayyazun bayna tullabi dari kumbuni. Ricardo is an distinguished student. So here mutamayyazun is used, and here mumayyazun was used, form 2, because this book is distinguished because of it has for something else, for it was because it was having a picture. So that is it is distinguished. Here the Ricardo is being distinguished for his own efforts. So it's talibun mutamayyizun bayna tullabi dari kumbuni, and this is the distinguished among the students of Dar-e Kumbuni. So tamayyada yatamayyazu form 5, and ism maf'ul is mutamayyazun. Ism fa'il is, so I have an ismul fa'ili, ismul fa'ili mutamayyizun, and ismul maf'uli mutamayyizun. So ism fa'il mutamayyizun, someone who stands out by his own effort. So here mutamayyizun is ism fa'il because Ricardo himself is being distinguished from the other students. So mutamayyizun, this kasra here means ism fa'il. Okay, so that was about the linguistic. Now we're gonna do the exercises. At-tadribat. Question number 1. Aswalul awwalu. Aina taqa'u Baghdadu. Where Baghdad is located. Taqa'a Baghdadu ala nahri Dijlata. Baghdad is located on the river Dijla, Tigris river. Mata akhazat shuhrataha. When it took its fame, when the city became famous. Akhazat shuhrataha hinama aada banaha al-Khalifatul Abbasiyu Abu Jafar Mansur. So this is from the main lesson. It took its fame when it was rebuilt by the Caliph, Abbasid Caliph Abu Jafar al-Mansur. Ma adadu khulfai Dawlat al-Abbasiyati. How many caliphs were in the Abbasid Dola state, and وَكَمْ مِنْهُمْ أَقَامَ فِي بَغْدَادَ, and how many of them they lived in Baghdad. So we know that they were 37. قد بلغ عدد خلفاء الدولة العباسية 37 خليفة. The Abbasid state had 37 caliphs, and أقاموا في بغداد ما عدا 7 منهم, and they all lived in Baghdad except 7 of them. So 7, they did not reside there, they lived in Samarra. مسم المدينة التي أسسها المعتصم لتكون بديلا عن بغداد. What is the name of the city that was built that Mu'tasim, this caliph, he built to as an alternative to Baghdad. So he moved the capital city from Baghdad to Samarra. So Samarra is the name of the city, and it was before it was called like Surra Manra or Samarrao. Police, the one who saw it, and then over time changed to Samarrao, which we now call Samarra. من الذي أعاد العاصمة إلى بغداد مرة أخرى? Who is the one who restored the capital back to Baghdad one more time? So who is the one who then from changed the capital, who restored the capital back to Baghdad? So Aada al-Mu'tamidu, the Caliph al-Khalifatul Khamisa Ashara, the 5th Caliph, he al-Mu'tamidu, he returned the al-Asimata, the capital city, ila Baghdad, to Baghdad marratan ukhra, one more time. لماذا تؤد مكتبة بغداد أشهر مكتبات تاريخ الإنساني? Why the library of Baghdad is the most one of the famous libraries, is counted as one of the famous libraries in the human history. So we studied that تؤد مكتبة بغداد من أشهر المكتبات في التاريخ الإنساني فقد جمعت علوم الشرق والغرب, because it collected the sciences of East and West. وحافظت على ما تبقى من مكتب الإسكندرية المحترقة, and it protected what was left over from the burnt library of Alexandria. So that is why it was one of the famous libraries. ماذا فهمت من كانت ملتقى الدراسين وقبلة الباحثين? What do you understand from the meeting place of the students, وقبلة الباحثين, and the qibla of the researchers? The destination of the researchers. Why this is why what you understand from this statement? So we understand from this statement that Kanat Baghdadu Markazan lil Ilmi, that the Baghdad was the center of the ilm, knowledge, education fil asr zahab lil Islami, in the golden era of Islam. That is why all the researchers and the students, they were going there. Bimaza ishtahar al-Mamunu, why the Caliph Mamun, he became famous, why he was famous. Ishtahar al-Mamunu bil infitahi ala sakafati ghair al-Arabi wa tarjmati anhum. As we have studied that Mamun, the Caliph Mamun, he became famous for opening of the cultures, to opening up of the non-Arab cultures and the translations from them. And Bimaza ishtahara Harun al-Rashidi, huwa min ashhar al-khulafai al-muslimina li sarai shakhsiyatihi. He became famous for the richness of his personality. The unwanun akhira lidarsi, give put another title to this lesson. So we can put any title, but I would put like Tarikhu Baghdad, history of Baghdad. Question number 2. Hal tara fi shakhsiyat al-Mamuni tanakuza ishrah zalika. Do you see in the personality of Mamun any contradiction? Explain that. So we studied in the lesson that on one side, Mamun was famous for opening. He was famous for opening up of the non-Arab cultures and the translations from them. But he was kama urifa bi tushaddudi wa tu'assubi li raihi fil bhakti nafsihi, and at the same time he was also known for his rigidness and intolerance of his opinion. He had his firm, rigid, or he was intolerant to his opinion. That was the contradiction. Question number 3. Aswalu salisu baina guzati Baghdad jamiyan simmatun mushtarakatun wa afalun mutafakkun alayha. Among the invaders of Baghdad, there was the common trait between all the invaders of Baghdad. There was a common trait and the agreed upon actions upon it. Hal tuwafiku ala hazar rai. Do you agree with this opinion? Yeah, so from the lesson, yes, we agree that wahiya, and what was that common trait or the agreed upon action? Wahiya tadmiru asari Baghdad wa ihraqi maktabatiha, and that was the destruction of the monuments of Baghdad and the burning of its library. So they all did all the invaders, they did the same thing. Question number 4. Uktub shayyan an madinatika. Write something about your city. Mustakhdiman tabirat allati darastaha fi darsil lugviyati. Using the expression that we have studied in the lesson of Lugviya that we have just studied above. Using those expressions, write something about your city. What I have written here. So, Tashtahiru Madinatu Toronto bikurbiha min shalalati Niagara. City of Toronto is famous. Toronto is famous because of its closeness to Niagara Falls. So we can write anything about our city. Aswalul Khamisu, fifth question. Ma nawul kalimati. There are the underlined words. So what is the kind of those? What is the kind of that word? Some choices are given. Here is an example. Misal, asbahat Baghdadu madinatan mumayyazatan. Baghdad became a distinguished city. So a distinguished city, distinguished is the adjective for Medina. So and Medina is and this is Mumayyazatan is Ism Maf'ul. This is the example. Kanat Baghdadu Mukarral Ulamai wa Shurai. Baghdad became the headquarter of the scholars and poets. So Mukarra here is the place, is showing that this was the place for the headquarter. So for the scholars and the poets. So this is Ismu Makan. Ishtahara khulafauha bisimati mukhtalifatin. Its caliphs became famous. They were famous for different traits. So mukhtalifatin, ikhtalafa yakhtalifu mukhtalifun, because of this kasra it shows that is ism fa'il. If it's ism maf'ul, it's going to be mukhtalafun. Form 8 ikhtalafa yakhtalifu, on the pattern of iftala yaftailu. So this is ism fa'il. Kana Harun Rashidu Muqatilan. Harun Rashid was a fighter. So this is about the Harun Rashid as a fighter. So this is ism file, and also is qatala yuqatilu muqatilun. This kasra shows that this is ism file. Ishtahar al-Mamun bil infitahi ala sakafati ghair al-Arabi. Mamun was famous for opening of the non-Arab cultures. So this verb is in fataha yanfatihu, and the masdar is infitahun on the pattern of infialun. So this is masdar. Kama urifa bitashaddudi wa tu'assubi, as he was known for the intolerance and his rigidness. So tashaddudi to asubi, they both come from the same verb. Tashaddada and ta'assaba. Tashaddada yatashaddadu, and masdar is tashaddudun, form 5. Similarly, ta'assaba yata'assabu, and masdar is ta'assubun. So they both follow the same pattern because they are from form 5. Tashaddada yatashaddadu, ta'assaba yata'assabu, and the pattern is tafa'ulun. Tafa'ala yatafa'alu, masdar is tafa'ulun. Baghdadu bi bawsalatul ulamai min mashrikil ardi ila maghribiha. Baghdad is the compass of the scholars from the east to its west. So here Mashriq and Maghrib is describing the place on the earth. So this is Ismu Makan. Question number 6. Aswalu Sadisu Fin Nasi Mushtaqatun aw Musadiru Makhuzatun min al-Af'al al-Atiyati ma hiya. In the main lesson, we have derived, there are some derivatives and some verbal nouns, masadir, from the following verbs. What are they? From these verbs, the question is, what are those? Misal is ihtada ja minhu ismul fa'il al-muqtadi. From it comes ismul fa'il al-muqtadi. So I have prepared a list here. Ihtada yahtadi, form 8, and ism fa'il is muqtadi. Similarly, ihtasama yatasimu, ism fa'il is al-mutasimu. Tashaddada yatashaddadu, I just discussed that. Form 5, masdar is tashaddudun. Istaqbala yastaqbilu, form 10, and ism maf'ul is mustaqbalun. Itamada yatamidu, form 8, ism fa'il is al-mutamidu, name of the caliph. Izdahara yastahiru, to flourish, and masdar is izdiharun, on the pattern of iftialun. Ganna yuganni, ism fa'il is muganni, the one who sings. Iltaka yaltaki, ismul makan is multaka, the meeting place. Form 8. Ikhtalafa yakhtalifu, form 8, another form 8 verb. Al masdar is ikhtilafun, again iftialun. Tamayyaza yatamayyazu, ism maf'ul is mutamayyazun. Yalhu laha yalhu, masdar is lahwun, amusement. Basa yab'asu, ism maf'ul is mab'usun, the one who is raised. Okay, so question number 7. Ijal kulli kalimatin ismu zaman marratan wa ismu makan marratan ukhra. Make for every word, make one sentence for using that word as ismu zaman, and the next other time as a ismu makan, same word. Because in the lesson we said that the ismu makan and ismu zaman, they follow the same pattern as ism maf'ul, so only the sentence will tell the difference. So now here is an example. Ramazanu mustashfal muslimina minal khataya. Ramzan is the hospital of the Muslims from the mistakes, from the sins. I mean, that is the Actually, Ramadan is the month, is the time for the Muslims to get a healing of their mistakes or their sins. So this Mustashfa is coming as the Ismu Zaman, because this is the month, the time. Uqimat fi Baghdad al-Mustashfiyatul Mukhtalifatu. In Baghdad, different hospitals were established. Uqimat. So now different hospitals is coming as the hospital, the places. So here it is used as Ismu Makan. Now this verb is Multaka. So Al-Maktabatu, the library, here Multaka At-Tullabu Badal Muhazarati. Library is the meeting place of the students after the lecture. So after the lectures, the students spend time in the library. So now this is coming as a Ismu Makan, as the place, the library. Now if we say Yomul Jumati Multakal Istiqai, the Friday is the meeting time of the student, of the friends. So here Multaka is coming as a Ismu Zaman, is the, because this referring to the day when the friends gonna meet. So this refers to time. Now Mashriku. Safartu ilal Mashriki wal Maghribi. I traveled to east and west. So Mashriku here coming as the places in the some country in the east. Intazartuka in the Mashriki Shamsi. I waited for you by the sunrise. So this is the time that I waited for you. So this Mashriku Shamsi refers to the time here. So this is Mashriq, here is Ismu Zaman. Okay, question number 8. Dal mushtaqqa ul masdar al manasiba bayyan nawahu. We have to put here some derivatives or some masdar, reasonable masdar, and we need to identify its kind. So example here is Daharat Baghdadu, Baghdad flourished. So this is Izdiharan. The answer is Izdiharan. It should be Izdiharan Kabiran. Baghdad flourished. So this is Maful Mutlaq, like a real flourishment. Kabiran, big time. Fi Asri Harun al-Rashidi, in the era of Harun Rashid. So now we have to do the other ones. Tatamayyazu al-Hazaratul Arabiyyatu. Arab history, Arab civilization is distinguished. Be Saraya. So this should be Sara in, because the masdar of this verb is Sara Yasra, form 1, masdar is Saraun. So we're gonna say Bi Sira in fi Ahdil Mamuni. In the era, in the period of Mamun, the Arab civilization got distinguished. Maktabatu Baghdada Ashharu. So here we're gonna say the library of Baghdad. We can say Mashhuratun, because it's the library Mashhuratun, which comes from Shahara Yashharu. Ism Maful is Mashhurun ala wazni Mafulun. Form 1, Ism Maful on the pattern of Maful. So library of Baghdad is famous in the whole world. Kanat Baghdadu iltiqa ash-shurai wal bahisina. So Baghdad was the meeting place, so this is wrong, of the poets and the researchers. So the verb is iltaqa yaltaqi, and the Ismul Makan is the place, so it's gonna be Multaqa. Multaqa Shurai wal Bahisina should be Multaqa. Wakanat Tarkuzu, so should be Markazun Litalimi fil Mukhtalifil Ulumi, and it was the center of the education in different sciences. So rakaza yarkuzu. Form 1 ismul makani is markazun. So form 1 there is the for ismul makan was zaman. There are two patterns, maf'alun and maf'ilun. So this is maf'alun because this has a dhamma here. Yarkuzu, for dhamma and fatha it should be maf'alun. So we're gonna say wakanat markazun litalimi fi mukhtalifil ulumi. Zahabtu ila makanil kutubi. This is a library. So kataba yaktubu and ismul makan is maktabun. Again on the pattern of maf'alun because again this has a dhamma. So zahabtu ila maktabati lil kirai, ila maktabatin lil kirai. I went to the library to study, to read. Bain al Guzati Baghdad Simatin. Among the invaders of Baghdad there was common traits, so it's gonna be mushtarakun. Simmatun mushtarakun. And this comes from Ishtaraka Yashtariku form 8. So we can say this is the plural here, broken plural, so we can use mushtarakatun. Question number 9. Uktubil fa'ala madamair. Write these verbs with their pronouns. So the first one is abisa. Abisa yabasu. Form 1. To mess around. So here this given abisa, so the past tense. Huwa abisa, huma abisa, hum abisu, hiya abisat, huma abisata, hunna abisna, anta abista, antuma abistuma, antum abistum, anti abisti, antuma abistuma, antunna abistunna, ana abistu, nahnu abisna. And here's the meaning. He messed around, both of them masculine messed around, all of them messed around. He or she messed around, both of them messed around, all of them messed around, you all messed around. Antuma, you both masculine messed around. Antum, you all masculine messed around. You, anti, you feminine messed around. Antuma, you both feminine messed around. Antunna, you all feminine messed around. I messed around and we messed around. Vada yaidu, to promise. So past tense. Huwa vada, huma vada, hum vadu, hiya vadat, huma vadata, hunna vadna, anta vata, antuma vatuma, antuma vatum, anti vati, antuma vatuma, antunna vatunna, ana vatu, nahnu vadna. He promised, and similarly for all these pronouns, the we have changes here for hiya, huma, hum. Both of them masculine, huma vada, all of them hiya vadat, she promised, huma vadata, both of them feminine promise, all of the feminine promise, you promise masculine, you both promise, you all promise masculine, anti vati, you feminine promise, you both feminine promise, you all feminine promise, I promise and we promise. And this is the present tense. Istakbala yastakbilu, form 10. Huwa yastakbilu, huma yastakbilani, hum yastakbiluna, hiya tastakbilu, huma tastakbilani, hunna yastakbilna, anta tastakbilu, antuma tastakbilani, antum tastakbiluna, anti tastakbilina, antuma tastakbilani, antunna tastakbilna, ana astakbilu, nahnu nastakbilu. To receive, to welcome or to receive. Question number 10. Aswalul Ashiru Arib. So Sirtu Zairan Daiman li Maktabatil Kahiratil Kubra. I visited, I became a regular visitor to the Cairo, to the Great Library of Cairo. Great Library of Cairo. So here Sara Yasiru. Sirtu is Felu Madin Nakisun Nasikhun. And Ta is Damirun Muttasirun Mabni fi Mahali Rafin Ismu Sara. Ta is Ismu Sara. Zairan is Khabru Sara Mansubun Walamatun Nasbi al Fatah. And Daiman is Sifa is sifa mansubatun walamatun nasbi al-fata. Sifa walamatun nasbi al-fata is the sifa for zairan, so it's gonna follow the same Arab. Li maktabati, so al-lamu harfu jarin, wal maktabati ism majrur, walamatul jari al-kasra has the kasra, wa hiya mudaf. Al-kahirati mudaf li majrur, walamatul jari al-kasra, and al-kubra is another sifa li maktabati majruran misluha walamatu jarrihi al-kasra. And we can't see that kasra here because it's alif maksura here. Question number 11, aswalu hadiya ashara the kalimatin wahidatin makan al jumlati. So we are given a sentence. We have to change this sentence to one word. For example, huwa ismu shay'i allazi ihtaraka. This is the noun of the thing, name of the thing that got burned. So what is that? Is ismu fa'il is al-muhtariku. So this means this is the thing that is burning is ismu fa'il. So is al-muhtariku, and this is coming from ihtaraka yahtariku. Ifta'ala yaftailu format, and ism fa'il is muhtarikun. So al-muhtariku, someone on fire. Huwa al-makanu allazi yastakirru fihi an-nasu. This is the place in which the people they settle in it. So this is the place, settling place. Mustaqarrun. Istaqarra yastakirru. Istaqarra yastakirru. Istaqarra yastakirru, and ismul makan is mustaqarrun. So the one word here is the place where the people reside is the mustaqarrun. Huwa al-makanu allazi fihi al-kutub. This is the place in which there are the books. So this is the library. Al-maktabatu. Kataba yaktubu, ismul makan is maktabun ala wazni maf'alun. So 3 letter is gonna follow because of dhamma is gonna follow the pattern maf'alun. So is maktabun, and the library is al-maktabatu. Huwa al-kitabu allazi narji'u ilayhi linakhuza minhu rayan. This is the book that we return to it to take its opinion. So this is the book where we use it for reference. So basically for reference the book becomes the place, the reference is the place in the book. So that is why it's gonna be al-marji'u. Raja yarji'u ismul makani al-marji'un ala wazni maf'ilun, because this has a kasra here. So it's gonna be al-marji'u, the place in the book that we use as a reference. Huwa ar-rajulu allazi yansuruhu Allahu, who is the man who Allah has helped him. So this is al-mansur. So coming from the verb nasara yansuru, from the one who is helping is nasirun, and the one who is getting the help is mansurun. So is the one who Allah is helping him, so is getting the help, so is on the pattern of maf'ulun, mansurun. Huwa ash-shay'u allazi yashtariku fihi isnani wa aksara. This is the thing in which two or more than two they participate in it, or they share in it. So that is the al-mushtaraku, that is ism maf'ul from the verb ishtaraka yashtariku format. And if we say mushtarikun, those are the participant, and the thing that is shared is mushtarakun. So here the thing which is being shared among two or more than two, so this is should be al-mushtaraku on ism maf'ul. Huwal Farisullazi Yukatilul Ada. He is the knight or the horseman, the one who fights with the enemies. So it's gonna be Al-Muqatilu, the fighter. So the one who is fighting with the enemies is the fighter, which is Ism Fa'il Al-Muqatilu. Qatala Yuqatilu, form 3. Ism Fa'il is Muqatilun and Ism Maf'ul is Muqatalun. So there is, because he is the talking about the knight, the horseman who is fighting with the enemies. So this is Ism Fa'il Al-Muqatilu. Question number 12. Kataba Harun Rashidu Risalatan. Harun Rashid, he wrote a letter, Yudafiyu Fiha, to defend in it an nafsihi, about himself, indama alima, when he knew, anna nasa tarifu anhu, when he knew that the people know him, janib al-lahwi fakat, from his character of his amusing personality. When he knew that people just know him from the negative side of his personality, he wrote a letter. So wajadat hazihi risalata fi maktabati Baghdad, and this letter is found in the library of Baghdad. Inkulha lana, write this for us. So I have copied here this letter that can be read. Okay, so that completes these exercises. So we're gonna start lesson number 20 the next time. So I'm going to stop it here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.